Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this type of donut in Blender. First of all, delete the cube and add torus. Change its major segments to 32 and major scale to 0.40. Now right-click to shade it smooth. After that, go to Modifiers and add Subdivision Surface Modifier. Now go to Edit Mode and change the shape of it as shown to make it more realistic. Now scale the middle part down. Press Shift-D to duplicate it. Then click right mouse button to snap it back. Now rename them before editing the icing. You have to delete the bottom half of the icing. To do so, you have to press Alt-Z and select the bottom half of the icing and delete it. Now you have to add Solidify modifier and change its thickness to 0.025 and offset to 1. Apply subdivision and add another to it. Now to connect icing to donut, you have to go to Edge Data and change Crease Inner to 1. Now you have to uncheck that button where the arrow is pointing. It will help you edit it better. Select all the inner vertices and hide them by pressing the shortcut key H. Enable proportional editing with Snap and check face projection. Now make icing look realistic.